Welcome, Cosmic Seekers. As we embark on this deep astrological journey, we're diving into one of the most significant planetary transits of 2025, Venus in Pisces, its exalted home. This is no ordinary movement. It's a celestial blessing that will influence love, wealth, creativity, and spiritual connections for every zodiac sign. Before we jump into the detailed predictions, let's first understand the essence of Venus, its role in astrology, and what happens when it reaches its exalted or debilitated state. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, luxury, wealth, art, pleasure, and harmony. It governs our relationships, values, desires, and creative expression. In a birth chart, Venus shows how we love, what brings us happiness, and what we seek in pleasure and companionship. Venus also rules Taurus and Libra, two signs that represent earthly stability and balanced relationships, making it a planet of both sensual indulgence and refined elegance. In love and relationships, Venus governs romance, attraction, passion, and commitment. In wealth and luxury, it represents material success, financial stability, and comforts. In creativity and art, it controls artistic talents, music, beauty, and aesthetic sense. In social and personal life, it shapes how we interact, our charm, and our sense of diplomacy. Now that we've understood what Venus represents, let's see how its position in a sign can either amplify or diminish its power. Just like a person thrives in the right environment and struggles in the wrong one, planets have their own strengths and weaknesses depending on the sign they're placed in. Venus finds its highest strength in Pisces, where it is exalted. This means Venus expresses its purest, most divine, and limitless form in this sign. Pisces, ruled by Jupiter and Neptune, is a mystical, imaginative, and deeply spiritual sign. When Venus is in Pisces, its energies manifest in the most romantic, selfless, and artistic way possible. Venus in exaltation gives unconditional love, heightened creativity, spiritual and emotional fulfillment, financial abundance, deep empathy and kindness, and magnetic attraction. People with Venus in Pisces are natural romantics, artistic souls, and deeply intuitive lovers. They see love as divine and boundless, making them selfless givers in relationships. But too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to illusion and escapism. Exalted Venus can also make people overly idealistic in love, prone to romantic fantasies, and sometimes too forgiving, even in toxic relationships. On the opposite end, Venus struggles the most in Virgo, where it is debilitated. Virgo is a practical, analytical, and perfectionist sign ruled by Mercury, which clashes with Venus's need for beauty and pleasure. Venus in debilitation faces lack of romantic imagination, struggles in wealth and luxury, harsh self-criticism, difficulty in expressing affection, and love becomes practical, not passionate. People with Venus in Virgo tend to overanalyze relationships, look for flaws rather than emotions, and struggle with letting go and enjoying romance. They may be great partners in terms of loyalty and service, but their perfectionism can sometimes drain the beauty of love. Venus is one of the most powerful planets when it comes to shaping our happiness, relationships, and luxuries. Whether exalted or debilitated, its influence plays a massive role in our personal and financial lives. Now that we understand what Venus represents and how it behaves in different signs, we're ready to explore its 2025 transit in Pisces and how it will affect each zodiac sign individually. Alright, Taurus folks, buckle up because 2025 is a power packed year for you, especially with Venus, your ruling planet, making big moves in your 11th house of gains and friendships. This is going to shape your aspirations, career growth, and social standing in a significant way. Let's break it down in simple terms. From January 28th, Venus moves into Pisces where it gets exalted, meaning it's super powerful. This is fantastic for your financial gains, networking, and social connections. You may find unexpected support from friends or influential people. If you're working in creative fields, entertainment, or social media, this is your time to shine. But here's the twist. Around March 2nd, Venus turns retrograde. When Venus is in reverse gear, it asks you to reevaluate relationships, financial decisions, and personal desires. Avoid rash investments or trusting new people blindly. Some old connections might resurface and you may need to sort things out. The good news? By April 13th, Venus moves direct again. clearing any confusion, and getting things back on track. Financial gains will pick up, and long term investments will start showing positive signs. Saturn is in your 10th house and will transit into your 11th house, so work will demand patience and dedication. Expect slow but steady progress. Business partnerships might require careful negotiations. Jupiter is in Taurus, so you will have luck on your side. Any efforts towards leadership or entrepreneurship will yield long term rewards. Mars is in your second house and will transit into your third house, so avoid conflicts in communication at work. Bold decisions will bring financial growth, but act strategically. Best businesses to start would be real estate, finance, beauty industry, luxury items, and anything related to social media and networking. With Venus in the 11th house, new financial opportunities will emerge through connections. During Venus retrograde, avoid impulsive spending or risky investments. Favorable period for planning property purchases is post-April. Venus is retrograde from March to April. If you're in a relationship, expect emotional ups and downs. Some couples may revisit old issues, while singles may encounter an ex from the past. There are strong marriage prospects after April. Venus moving direct will clear confusion, making it a great time for commitments and proposals. Jupiter is in Taurus, so if you're looking to settle down, 2025 is a strong year for serious relationships. For people who are interested in speculative markets and investments, play it safe during Venus retrograde. After April, things will stabilize, and it would be a good time to invest in gold and high end luxury items. Do not invest in luxury items from 2nd March to 13th April. It would be a favorable time for long term investments in real estate, especially post May. Ketu is in your 5th house, which could cause minor stomach or digestive issues, so avoid overthinking and stress. Saturn is in Aquarius, your 10th house, so take breaks and do not overwork yourself. Due to the Venus transit, your skin, beauty, and reproductive health needs attention. Here are some remedies for you. For Venus, wear white or pastel colors on Friday for positivity. Donate sugar, rice, or white flowers to improve relationships and financial gains. Keep rose quartz or white sapphire close to attract harmony. For Saturn, wear dark blue or black on Saturdays for stability. Donate mustard oil or black sesame seeds to support career growth. For Mars, avoid red colored clothes on Tuesdays to stay calm. Offer sweet dishes to younger siblings for better communication. For Ketu, wear light yellow on Thursdays for mental peace. Donate blankets or help stray animals to ease mental distractions. Build your network. Venus in the 11th house means social connections will bring big rewards. Be patient with finances and relationships during Venus retrograde. Career growth is steady, don't rush, but do not stop. Saturn wants discipline, and Jupiter will bless you with good results. Health wise, focus on stress management and mindful eating. This is your year to plan, build, and stabilize for long term success. Taurus, get ready for a transformational and rewarding year. The stars don't control your destiny, they guide it. Your actions define your path. That's all for today's deep dive into Venus Transit 2025 in Pisces. We've uncovered the mysteries of Venus's exalted and debilitated states and how they shape our love, wealth, and destiny. But this is just the beginning. Stay with us as we decode the impact of this powerful transit on each zodiac sign one by one. At Sitaro Ko Safar, our mission is to guide you through the cosmic energies shaping your life. If you're facing any personal challenges related to love, career, health, or finances, you can book a personal consultation with astrologer N. Baksh. For appointments, contact via the WhatsApp number on your screen. Don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful, share with friends and family who love astrology, and subscribe to Sitaro Ko Safar and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on your astrological journey. The stars have much more to reveal, so stay connected. We will meet in the next video.